Sweetness from the heart of a flower, from a labor of love by possibly the busiest of all. Bees bring this wonder of nature, honey. From its delectable taste to its healing abilities and a cooking ingredient, honey is the food fit for kings and queens. No other insect has served the needs of man like the honeybee. For centuries, beekeepers have raised honeybees, harvesting the sweet honey they produce and relying on them to pollinate crops. Honeybees pollinate an estimated 1/3 of all the food crops we consume. So useful to the farmers, and with only a little care, bees can provide handsome additional income to our families, so it made sense to add bee farming to many livelihood options Friend offers. This was made possible by the financial support from the European Union. With the assistance from honey experts from abroad and locally, Friend started training farmers on the process and work involved in beekeeping. From providing suits to boxes, Friend worked closely with 80 farmers in the Western Division for 3 years, doing proper hands-on training to ensure sustainable farms.
Whenever farmers come to us with a request of setting up a bee farm, we do an interest registration. Whenever the officers go out in the field, we have to assess their land. In assessing their land, we also see how much dedication they have in their project, like doing up a bee farming. After we see the farmers have shown interest in doing bee farming, like planting flowering plants around the area, then we go and provide trainings.
Matainingaw na reda kina na se rawitang na kina ang balata na susunod yun pero rawitang lo kaya nandoon na nagitokan mani tungo ko yun ni nandoon na workshop kaya nakakatiwa na kaya nandoon dito bono may ragraki yaw bo na wale ni tumosyolya biyaw na kisnyoni Kato sini tunga marto may suling arto sa alis. Nabingaw na kaya arto lang may arto talibyo may. Arto may buki yaw tal na kaya na garabi. Siya na kaya na ready ba ko binaka na businessing ko may malata na.
जैसे पहले हमारा अम्मा जन चीज़ हम लोग बहुत रहा तरकारी वही ला चीज़ जो लग जाए टाउन बेच के तब वो थोड़ा सौदा घर के सौदा लेकर दे अब हम लोग बहुत खुशी है कि हम लोग के वही ला सौदा और सब इनकम जो घर के वही मदला पैसा में से आवे और हम लोग वही ला से थोड़ा हम लोग के घर के बारे में भी कुछ मदद करी से जैसे हम लोग के पास बत्ती नहीं रहा हम लोग हाथ वाला बत्ती यूज़ करता रहा अब थोड़ा सोलर वाला बत्ती भी हम लोग खरीद लिया वही मदला पैसा में से
Bee farming is not as hard as it sounds. The easy steps in bee farming is this. Make sure the land is well cleared, and you also have flowering plants as feed for the bees, and very importantly you should have a proper attire when going to the bee farm, and this is how you prepare to go to your bee farm. Between 7 to 10 months, you'll be ready to harvest honey. And this is how you harvest your honey. Bee farming can be really exciting for the right person.
I came to know that I can be into a bee farmer. So I contacted Abdul and he helped me. I also attended the workshop in Galela, and my instructor was Thomas from Germany, and he taught me a lot of techniques how to handle bees, and from there my interest has grown up, and that's why I went into this business, and it is very interesting. Abdul came to my farm and he visited on site and seen the area and the location, and then he supplied me the bees. I have harvested my first honey after 7 months. I have reinvested that money into my honey business. I want to be a commercial farmer. I want to have more boxes of bees, and I want to be in this business for a long time.
Bees live in tiny hives, yet travel miles to collect pollen to make the wonder products. An industrious worker bee may visit 2,000 flowers a day. She can't carry pollen from that many flowers at once, so she'll visit 50 to 100 flowers before heading home. All day long, she repeats these round-trip flights to forage, which puts a lot of wear and tear on her body. A hard-working forager may live just 3 weeks. To make the bees work easy, we encourage that the boxes be placed in cool, shady places to maintain steady temperature so bees don't have to work hard in cooling the boxes. Farmers are also encouraged to surround the boxes with flowers and fruit orchards. Bees get their pollen and trees bear fruits.
Na melai tarai na girmut sente lau toka na ehila na workshop. O singula haratu lau toka gulele huma gutali tekina harana kwae kode kingibina sengi tali tekina vale na biwahe machile tara wakemtu na friend. Maina le marula mai no ke maritola bana junju ninguele. Mai mbasoni na mbasini wengo hinga toka. Mari uro harana gola kamari bakawai uro harana gola ko yo binanga me bira urongia na kwae bula banga bula tulta muki ya le marula mai no ke binanga melo bona kwae na ise long terms na vai ne person futre lobo muni ko to ko o singi ba bina vale buhara muni nga bona friend na ngauna ko taw no ko gitawa na muni na woni lima na box na oni takimi stola ko to mo ko e vai no ko to ngulombo ko marulombo ilanganga no koto ko ya matao kay kalima.
A honeybee colony can contain up to 60,000 bees at its peak. It takes a lot of bees to get all the work done. Nurse bees care for the young, while the queen's attendant workers bathe and feed her. Guard bees stand watch at the door. Construction workers build the beeswax foundation in which the queen lays eggs and the workers store honey. Undertakers carry the dead from the beehive. Foragers must bring back enough pollen and nectar to feed the entire community. Drones are the male honeybees with only one purpose. They provide sperm to the queen. The queen honeybee lays up to 1,500 eggs a day and may lay up to 1 million in her lifetime.
मैं कुछ पता चला कि फ्रेंड लोगन वर्कशॉप रखी से तो हम लोग 2-4 जन मिल के गया वहाँ पर वर्कशॉप अटेंड करे. हम लोग सीखा कैसे हानि के बारे में सब वहाँ पर वर्कशॉप में बताई समों के तो इंटरेस्ट तो रहा हमें पहले से भी खाली हम पर फंड्स नहीं रहा अपन ये प्रोजेक्ट स्टार्ट करे के तब उ लोग हमारा जगह आए के देखिन तब बताई हम के स्टैंड बना हमें तो इतना खुशी लगा राते रात हम स्टैंड बनवाया हमारा हस्बैंड भी रहा संगे एक बॉय रख के हम स्टैंड बनाया 10 बॉक्स के लिए. फिर हम 2-3 वर्कशॉप और अटेंड करा. फ्रेंड लोगन वर्कशॉप रखी हम और चीज़ सीखा उसके बारे में बीज के बारे में सीखा तब ढेर चीज़ थोड़ा जान गया, तब हम के बॉक्स ला के दीस। तब फिर वहाँ से हम के बताइस कौन ची करो, वर्कशॉप में जो चीज़ सिखा रहा। तब आए के चेक करी और देखी कैसे हानि उसमें बॉक्स में कैसे आवे ना। तब एकदम खुशी लगे कि कब उसमें हानि हो जाए कि हम लोग ऐसे टेस्ट करी हानि के। फिर से फ्रेंड लोगन उन लोग सब कोई मदद करके हमारा हस्बैंड रहा, तब वो लोग फेस्ट हार्वेस्ट करिस। तब फिर हम लोग के फेस्ट हार्वेस्ट करिस तो हम लोग के 30 बोटल्स निकल गिरा। फिर से वर्कशॉप भैस हमारा घरे भैस थॉमस आइसरा जेनमी से। तब ढेर जन इनरा घरे, तब सब कोई ढेर जन मांगत रही। फिर ये ला प्रोजेक्ट फिर फ्रेंड लोगन उन लोग के भी करीज दीस। और फिर हमारा आए के यहाँ चेक करी, सब एक को बीमारी नहीं रहा, कुछ नहीं रहा। तब फिर से वो लोग हार्वेस्ट करीन। हम तो काफ़ी चीज़ जान गया, बट जब थॉमस आई तो और चीज़ सीख लिया उसमें, कैसे हनी के बारे, बीज लोगन के कैसे देखभाल करो। अच्छा लगे जैसे जब हार्वेस्ट करो, जब सेल सब कोई खरीद लेवे तो पैसा आ जावे तो खुशी लगे। तब उसमें जैसे कोई चीज़ केहू नहीं रहे ना, तकलीफ नहीं है।
Apart from honey, bees also produce two very significant products, propolis and wax. Propolis has been used in soaps, toothpaste and various medical applications as an antiseptic. Propolis is hailed the world over as a miracle product for its ability to heal. Wax, on the other hand, is also much sought after. Honeybees produce beeswax from special glands on their abdomens. The youngest worker bees make the beeswax from which workers construct the honeycomb. 8 paired glands on the underside of the abdomen produce wax droplets which harden into flakes when exposed to air. The workers must work the wax flakes in their mouths to soften them into a workable construction material. Wax is in great demand for art and making of candles and in various other applications such as coating for protection of timber, cosmetic products and as a lubricant. Bees add so much value to our farms and our environment but are very fragile. Pesticides sprayed during flowering time kills bees as they try and collect pollen from sprayed flowers. Organic farming practices can support our growing bee colonies and ensure good health for Fiji. While the hardworking bees help farmers in their fields, they also provide various income streams for families' economic well-being. Some farmers have ready markets available. Others use Friend as their markets link. So bees don't only give us honey, they contribute to the environment. Flowers bloom, fruits grow, and most importantly, they contribute to our health. Stay healthy, Fiji.